What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name's Clint, and today, well, we're doing something we haven't done in a while. It's an unboxing. That's right, an unboxing. And it's an unboxing of a international parcel from my favorite bag company in the universe. That's right, Greenroom136, a package straight out of Malaysia. Let's get started. Well, first we got to open this thing up. No cheating here. I haven't opened this up. I haven't looked inside it yet. Let's get our Neolithic. Which one should we use? Let's use this one. Little bag opener from the Stone Age. Little trick, don't use a knife to open your bags. You may have a day that is filled with regret if you do. So I use these little Neolithic Stone Age tools. Ha! Holy crapoli. It's here. What is it? Well, let's open it up and find out. Wow. Wow. Holy cannoli. Let's see if we can get our tag in view here. It's the Greenroom Monger DX 1-Up edition. Tags off, because this baby ain't going anywhere. Wow. All right, let's just take a look here. I went with the white Eco Pack, gold interior, sweet key leash, stretchy pockets. Holy cow. Gorgeous. And I love the new pocket, the new flap over front pocket on the Monger DX. Love that. It looks cool as hell. And then on the back, secret pocket, check. And device, let me test my laptop here. Holy smack, so 14-inch laptop into the Monger. Check. I'm in love. I'm in love. I went with a gray handle. Not sure if I made the right choice there or not. We'll see. And then you've got this new zipper. You can see it kind of curves towards the front to produce a U-shaped opening here. We got a ton of other stuff here. Let me pull it out like Russian nesting dolls situation. All right. Down in here, we've got 2 slip pockets in the back. And we've got 2 zipper pockets in the front. And a really roomy main compartment. Just gorgeous. Compression straps on the bottom. I'm blown away. This is a cool bag. This is a cool bag. Wow. We got more to look at. This is just my first impressions of this shipment from Greenroom136. Next up, we got a pencil pusher. What's a pencil pusher? A pencil pusher is a pencil pushing pouch. This is a pencil pusher, if you haven't seen a pencil pusher before. And this is a pencil pouch from Malaysia. Little slip-ins here, and then you have a pocket here and a pocket here. So it's a tri-pocket pocketed pouch. And I ordered it in Greenroom136's wax canvas. If you haven't seen their wax canvas, now you have. It's good looking. This thing also kind of plumps out. It plumps out like you after Thanksgiving, right? When you stuff it full, it has to wear the elastic belt pants here because it becomes a little chunky. But it also can shrink down if you don't have much in it to a much smaller size. This is a very useful bag, a very useful toss it in your bag and go kind of situation. And it matches up with my Metro Runner By Your Command series in the same Army Duck waxed canvas. Initial impression, I love the way this feels in the wax canvas. Don't need to keep these tags, not ever getting rid of it. Huh. All right, but the thing I'm most excited about is coming up next, because if you've been watching this channel for a while, then you know that one of my absolute favorite bags is the SideKep. Well, I now have a waxed canvas SideKep. Oh, and I love how it looks in this beautiful natural wax canvas, like waxy. It looks like it's actual wax. I love it. So we've got the slip-in front pouch here with the key leash. We've got the gray, light blue. That's light blue, I think. Gorgeous. Little tech pouch in the front. And then in the center, you've got the two slip-in pockets and the main compartment. If you have never used a SideKep, it's my favorite little bag. It is just an absolute joy to carry. Let me hook this up to the attachment points here. Yep, there we go. Yeah, it is just an absolute joy to carry. And we'll make it bigger, because I'm bigger. There we go. And you just walk around. It's a great dog walking bag, shopping bag, you know, for phone, keys, power bank, pocket knife, first aid kit. If you're not carrying a laptop or a tablet, the SideKep is just about perfect. I freaking love this, and I love the look. I wasn't sure how I would like the undyed wax canvas. I really like it. It's really unusual, and you get the glow of the yellow coming through, and it turns into kind of this pale, I think it's cool as hell. Yeah, I love that. All right, I got to use these bags now so I can tell you whether or not they're good. I can tell you this one is good. I'll tell you more about this one in an upcoming video, and I'm going to have to do some extensive use of this one to be able to tell you what's new about the Metro Monger and what's changed and how I like this slightly larger version of the Metro Monger. Wow. Wow! Greenroom is so freaking cool. My favorite bag company, period, bar none. They are just so fun. I love their chonky bags. I love their colors. I love their hilarious sense of humor. Nice people making the coolest bags around, period. I love it. Freaking love it. Click the links, learn more about Greenroom136. I do not have affiliate links for Greenroom136. It would be much more profitable for me for a different bag company to be my favorite bag company. But that's not what it's about. That's never what it's about on this channel. It's about bags. It's about the coolest freaking bags in the world. And I think they're being made in Malaysia by Greenroom136. Y'all, dang, that's it for now. More on these bags and more on a ton more awesome bags later this week, and moving on 2 videos every week this year in 2026. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.